Hi, I'm David Munson from St. Louis, Missouri. Just bought a new Chevrolet Silverado, and I decided to buy a cover for it, and I looked at all kinds of stuff. Uh, but the one I decided on was made by Syneticusa USA, and so I ordered it. Took about a week, finally showed up in a big ass box, and I followed all the instructions, and I had a hell of a time trying to put it on. And I called customer service when I got frustrated. No answer. And I called them again, no answer. Finally, I left them a message, and then they sent me a text message a couple days later. Hey, tell us what exact model of the truck is, tell us what the problem is. So I sent them back a bunch of photographs, and I said the biggest problem is that when you put the bed on, it's narrower in the front than it is in the back. In fact, I couldn't even put the legs on because the legs sat like a V, so I took all these pictures, and the only way I could get the cover on is if I unrolled the top, then I could squeeze the legs in. And so what I had sent them was the photographs of these blocks here. And I said, these blocks are preventing it from spreading out, and I can't shove the cover back in. Well, the answer was our customers will read the instructions. So I went back and looked at the instructions, looked at the video again. What happened was that there is no explanation in their instructions for what was wrong with my top. And they couldn't identify it by the pictures. And it came down to this. When I was getting ready to send this son of a bitch back, I found this piece of paper. And this paper says, remove lock protector guideline. Now, this is not in the instructions, but it shows this device right here, which is this plastic piece, and that was blocking, keeping the top from going to the right width. Now here you can see I removed it. Now that's not the easiest thing to remove and get the screws back, and it says always remember to put the screw back in afterwards. Well, guess what? That screw doesn't fit in that lock once you take the block off. So I got to say, I've gotten it all straightened out. I didn't have to send the son of a bitch back, but customer service was pretty horrible, and didn't answer any of my questions. They could have looked at the photographs and said, "Oh, hey, you forgot to take these out." And I described exactly the problem. They didn't see that. They just sent me a thing back. Our instructions, our customers, we expect them to follow the instructions. So, anyways, if you're going to buy one, just remember there's no customer service. So, talk to you later. Bye.